I don't want to hear it. I don't have anything to do with that. Listen.
I don't want to hear it. I don't have anything to do with that. Listen. Right out of the gate, this hearing is already sliding off the rails. The defendant is interrupting, deflecting, and hinting at conspiracies before the judge can even establish basic control. But watch closely. The judge isn't taking the bait. He's calm, measured, and already signaling something bigger is coming. When a defendant starts firing attorneys and making explosive accusations, courts don't just ignore it, they start asking.
Yes, Judge. How are you this morning?
Not too bad. We'll see how this one goes. Your name, Detective?
Detective Sergeant Mark Driscoll with the Trent Police.
Yeah, call him. Your name, ma'am? Ma'am?
Oh, Teresa Bubba?
Your Honor, for the
Your appearance.
for the record, just 30720.
Thanks.
I'd like to call you and the prosecutor in.
Prosecutors and what Judge House.
I could start off perhaps without the prosecutor, if I may.
Yeah.
Your Honor, I know Miss Riddle from some previous representation. She had a felony in front of this court for the preliminary exam, got bound over. And after that preliminary exam, I was assigned a representative. She discharged me. There was no problems with that. It happens. And she went through a number of attorneys after that. And today, lo and behold, I saw her here, and I was going to represent her. She informed me that she'd rather have another counsel.
Mr. Bologna, your name?
Anthony Blank at the City Trent, Your Honor.
All right. Well, I don't know what to say on this. You don't get to pick your own lawyer. What did Mr. Schloff do wrong?
No, it's just that he did not represent the.
Well, I don't know what that means. I mean, I don't know what that means. You got to be more specific. He's a good lawyer. Turn that microphone toward her, will you please?
He just didn't, I wanted him to be aware of certain things and handle things as a certain way. And I just wanted him to come about.
On the other case? Yes?
Felony case.
Has he done anything wrong on this case?
Well, I mean, it's still, he's got that previous record.
What record?
Well.
You don't have a felony record, do you? Or a misdemeanor record? What record?
Just, I mean, I didn't like how the previous,
Ms. Riddle?
hearing.
Can I, I'm just gonna have a candid conversation. Mr. Bologna, your name?
Anthony Blank, City Trent.
Detective Driscoll, I got a disturbing call the other night about accusations that Ms. Riddle has levied against me.
Yes, Your Honor. If you need, for the record, I can send you a copy of.
Need it. I know.
Yeah,
I'll say it. I don't even know the lady. She was accusing me of assaulting her, and she was accusing me and another judge of conspiring to hire a hitman to have her killed. I can still handle this case fairly. I think there's other issues going on. I'm ordering a competency exam on this.
Now this is the turning point. Accusing a judge of assault and a murder conspiracy is nuclear-level serious.
Serious questions. And in this courtroom, the judge is about to draw a very firm line. Now, this is the turning point. Accusing a judge of assault and
I'm going to continue the bond, and we will have a competency exam, and that's it. I was like taken really aback. I mean, I've had accusations that are false levied against me in 32 years, but that's ridiculous. So, ma'am.
It was a charity for the newspaper.
You shouldn't get into the details at all.
Competency exam is ordered. I'm going to keep you on the case. You don't have the right to hire and fire court-appointed lawyers. If you're not happy with Mr. Schloff, you're going to have to be more specific. I'm not prepared to discharge him now. We'll see how the competency results come back. And we will go from there. And competency exam ordered. We'll set this for arraignment and pretrial. I'm guessing that they're taking at least 2 months, right? So why don't we set this up for sometime in the middle of April? And
Will it be on a Thursday as well?
yes, and I'm not going to remove Mr. Schloff. You haven't given me any reason. I've been around Mr. Ma'am. I've been around Mr. Schloff enough in my career. I have a great deal of respect for him. I would find it hard to believe that he did anything wrong. And when we come back, if you still want him discharged, you're going to have to be a lot more specific about what he has done wrong in this case, okay? But I'm ordering a competency exam. You have to go down and get evaluated, okay? I think this is for your own good. We'll set it for ma'am.
You're gonna send me, I've already had, Paul,
I can't hear you, ma'am. You got to talk into the microphone nice and loud.
I've already, worked with what I was trying to do was file charges with the Attorney Police Chief, and he has refused for the last 2 years to file any charges or complaints. And then they arrested me, and that chief spit.
All right. I don't want to hear it.
I'm gonna file that.
I don't want to hear it. I don't have anything to do with that. Listen. I'm going to send you for a competency exam. I think we can help you. Ma'am, do not argue with me, please. That's what I'm ordering. We're going to give her a review hearing date in the middle of April, and we will go from there.
She received a letter from
The Forensic Center. So we need to make sure, do you live at 1795, apartment 119?
My address is general delivery because.
Ma'am, I can't tell the Forensic Center to send it to general delivery and have it gift to you. Tell
Judge,
me you're.
If I can
Well-
interrupt, she does not reside at 1795 any longer. She was evicted from that residence. I know she's moved from hotel to motel over the last several months.
What's her P.O. box?
Ms. Riddle, if you can provide that.
What is it? I hope you go and look at it every day, because don't come in here when you don't show up for the exam and tell me I never got it. I didn't check my P.O. box. I don't know what else to tell you. You got what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah, Trenton Post
I
Office.
just wanted to make sure.
So that's where we're going to send the mail. We're going to set a review hearing in the middle of April. When will that be, Heather or Amy?
Judge, we could do either April 9th or April 23rd.
Housing instability, missed addresses, moving between hotels,
Nuclear level serious. The judge stays composed, but make no mistake, this is exactly the kind of behavior that triggers a competency concern. Housing instability, missed addresses, moving between hotels. The logistics alone are.
You go down the hall, get your notice, but you have to show up for the forensic. I want you to listen to me very carefully. Sometimes things go awry in our life. We have problems. We're going to try to get you some help. Just let me try to help you, will you please? And I think you'll find out this will work better. Detective, if there's something else to add, I'll be glad to listen. I see no reason for me to recuse myself at this point. I think it's just.
I asked you to recuse when I was in Dartmouth before, and,
You asked me to recuse myself?
Can you say before, during the pendency of this charge?
I don't think she's ever been.
It was when that girl, that she had 3 vicious, unleashed dogs
Ma'am,
that attacked me,
ma'am.
and I asked you to recuse.
Well, okay. I have to have a basis for it. I have to either be biased for you or against you. And ma'am, please don't interrupt me. You have a tendency to interrupt people. There's nothing here that makes me biased for you or against you. Okay? Your allegation's so ridiculous, it's laughable. I'm not getting into this anymore. Go down the hall, get your review hearing date. I'll address the issue with Mr. Schloff when you come back. You got to show up for your examination, and we'll let it play out. That's it. Have a good day.
Can I request the FOIA in the court hearing?
Request what?
The FOIA from that court hearing,
What court hearing?
the one where I asked you to recuse yourself.
Ma'am, I don't even know when it was. I don't remember. Well, then you request it, you pay for it, and we'll be glad to type the transcript up. I don't care if you did or not. I'm not biased for you. I'm not biased against you. This is the way I do my job every single day. I'm not going to hear it anymore. Back away from the podium, go to the exam, go down the hall, get your notice, and I'll address all these issues then.
At the end of the day, the judge used his discretion exactly.
In between hotels. The logistics alone are raising concerns. The judge is already anticipating the next problem. Failure to appear. He's building a record now so there are no excuses later. Then, at the end of the day, the judge used his discretion exactly how courts are designed to slow the case down and demand clarity before moving forward. The defendant's own words triggered that scrutiny. But here's the real question. Was the judge protecting the process or giving too much leeway? Do you think the judge was right or did the defendant waste her final chance? Comment below, hit like, and subscribe for more real courtroom breakdowns.